Good morning. I'm packing and we're getting ready to head out to the mountains with my parents. I'm gonna go there. We're actually going south. It's in Tennessee and I'm really looking forward to some fresh air, like real fresh air. You know, we live in an area where there's an airport like right there, so I can only imagine how many toxic fumes are just like in the air that we breathe all the time. So anyways, first things first is to pack some sweaters. And then I also need to make a batch of my pumpkin muffins and some cornbread because we'll be taking that to the cabin because my mom's making some chili. So that's our part. Let's do this. As far as food goes, things that I'm bringing, my family, they're pretty chill. Like, they never give me a hard time about anything I eat. I mean, maybe they'll like joke around a little bit, but nothing that makes me feel uncomfortable or anything, which is so nice because I know some people have a really hard time with their families kind of making them feel bad about their food choices, which is so not fair. Because, you know, I know that I would never want them to feel uncomfortable about the food they're eating. So anyway, foods that I'm bringing for myself and my husband are some rolled oats here, just some old-fashioned rolled oats. This is like way too big, but it's brand new and I don't feel like putting it in a baggie. So I'm just gonna bring that and whoever wants it can have some. Also bringing just a handful of teas because we're only there for a weekend. So I'm bringing some nettle. I'm bringing this bedtime one. I really like this. An Earl Grey tea and some lemon balm. And in case I eat something that maybe upsets my stomach, some gas relief. I think they changed it because it didn't used to taste like this. It tastes different to me, but it's chamomile and mint. And I just like the flavor. So. Also, I'm bringing one of my latte mixes. This is like got 50% the amount of caffeine. And I talk about that in another video, like a couple videos ago, I think at this point when I post this. So you can go check it out there. But okay, so I'm bringing those teas. And then I'm also gonna bring a bag of sweet potatoes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I should probably bring some more potatoes. I'll probably bring a few more just because I know that we're celebrating my birthday up there and I've requested some sweet potatoes. I'm not sure if we're gonna do like a full-blown sweet potato casserole if we have the ingredients for it, and if not, then just like maple roasted sweet potatoes are so good. And I usually don't put maple syrup on them, but my birthday. We're gonna get wild. Kidding. So yes.
Wake up, Virginia, is your daddy home? Is your daddy home? Is your daddy home? Did he turn off the lights in the telephone? In the telephone, in the telephone.
We've just made it to the cabin and we actually beat everyone here. So just going to unpack our stuff. I eat something. I'm really hungry. I don't think my parents have any food here, but nope. That's okay. Here, Mom.
Habanero farm made by a local farm, Maxwell, and
Crackle bread.
and strawberry jalapeno.
And some Simple Mills crackers.
Is there no almonds? There's almonds.
Okay, this is our wedding cake from 3 years ago.
Delicious.
You brought it.
Yes.
Nice.
Mom, what is that?
I don't know.
Say it. What is?
No, I'm not going to
Yeah. Okay. Where's the night before?
Oh, that's cute. I thought that the uncle.
Somehow 3 years later, it's alright.
Holy crap!
But it falls out. It's moist.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. It is so good. Throw. You ready to try to buy this?
Yeah, I'll take a bite.
Alright, I'll look upstairs.
It is so good.
So good.
The icing is delicious.
Yeah.
Really pretty.
Her smile is fantastic.
She's beautiful. Yeah.
She's got a great smile and like.
You go ahead and do that.
Do what?
Light the candle. Okay.
One. One more.
Trying. Makes me laugh.
It's the best smelling birthday candles, babe.
Hey, Russ, get in here again one more time.
Good morning. I don't want to wake anybody up. It's really early. It's my blood sugars are low. Yeah, I'm just fixing my low blood sugars with some more cake. Vacation. I didn't give much context, but the cake that we had last night was one that my mom ordered for me from like a specialty bakery, and it was a vegan and gluten-free cake, which just means so much, and it was so good, and I had such a big slice. I'm pretty sure there was sugar in it, like an organic cane sugar or something, but I really don't know. Probably gonna go back in bed because it's cold and I'm still tired. You're so cute. You sleepy? Boop.
Now the 1st of December is covered with snow, and so was the turnpike from Stockbridge to Boston. Lord, the Berkshire seas dreamland on account of that frosting. 10 miles behind me,
That is really brilliant writing.
10,000 more.
It was like, are you sure you don't have someone help me with this?
Well,
There's a song that they sing when they take to the highway. A song that they sing when they take to the sea. A song that they sing of